So hey my dear YouTube family, today I will show you one of the most popular and best earning application. This is called as Tron APPWS, and in this application you got 9000 TRX free. This is just a welcome bonus, and also you can earn a lot of money. Apart from this, there are many other options to earn money. So simply download this application. Link of this application provided in description box. Go and download this application first, and then I will teach you what you need to do next. So now my downloading is start, and size of this application is around 824 KB. It's less than 1 MB, so that's great. If your phone storage is less, then you can also use this application very easily. So now I will open this application and just wait a little bit. So you need to click on mine and then click on register button. When you click on a register button, then you need to put your all information. You need to put your username, what's your name, and your password. You can set any password according to your choice, and a recommendation code are showing above. You can use my recommendation code, and my recommendation code are also mentioned in description box. You can check the description box and use my recommendation code. Here you need to put your phone number and then your email address, and simply click on a register button, and then your account was successfully created. So now I create my account, and then I will teach you how to earn more money by this app. So guys, you can see here is our welcome reward, 9000 TRX. That's crazy guys, that's crazy. And in dollar it's around $550. That's very huge amount. And now I will show you how you can earn money. Here are many other options, like you can share this application with your friend. Click on share friends. Here is your invitation link. See, this is your link. You can share this link with your friends on Instagram, Facebook, and many other platforms like YouTube as you want. And also I will show you there are other plans. If you invest here, you can earn more money. You can see there are invitation reward, VIP levels. So basically, if you share with your friends and your friend deposit some amount here, you can also get a good amount. So if you click on mining, you can see there are miners running, and you can grab daily 9 to 10% current result mining profit. That's really crazy. So now here you want to deposit some TRX. If you don't know about the TRX, you can simply Google TRX. But is TRX? TRX is basically cryptocurrency, and how you deposit it I will teach you. Simply click on deposit button. You can see here is the deposit button. Click on deposit button, and when you click on deposit, you can see there are two options. First one is transfer to basic, and second one is transfer to promotion. So simply click on transfer to basic account. You need to click on transfer to basic. When you click on here, you can see there are many guys, a lot of crypto are available like BNB, TRX. So you can deposit here BNB, TRX, Ethereum, Babe, ERC20 USDT, TRC20 USDT, and also Dogecoin. So now I will taught you, but you need to deposit here. Firstly, you can see there are TRX. Click on TRX, and you can see this is your TRX address, and simply click on copy this TRX address. Copy twice, and then simply go to any exchange. If you use Trust Wallet, then you can simply transfer your crypto here. But if you use other platform like Binance, and there are many other exchanges, and now I will taught you how you can transfer your TRX. Simply click on send button, put your address here. I will now I send 100 TRX. Click on continue button, and then you need to enter confirm, and then you need to enter your details. After that, you can see here is our transaction is complete. Almost our transaction is complete, and then click on submit successful, and you can see here is our 100 TRX successfully added, and click on mining. So you can see there are our profit. Now I reach our 100, and here is my purchase, automatically purchase. So I can easily withdraw daily 10 TRX if I deposit 100 TRX here, and you can see your team member here, bonus, how much they invested here and how much your bonus, so many more things. Apart from this, I will taught you how you can withdraw your all investment. So simply, if you want to invest here, there are no investment plan right now, but you can also invest here. Like if you click on invest, there are invitation reward and some investment cycling investing. So you can see there is some plans which is like investment plan, and the cycle period of this plan is around 5 days, and you need to deposit around 10 USDT. And here is some other project which you like, you can deposit in any project. So now I will show you how to withdraw money. सो गाइस, जहाँ पर मेरे को आज पहले दिन का जो इनकम मिला वो मिला 9 TRX, और जो मैंने रिसीव कर लिए। चलिए गाइस, अभी आपको लाइव यहाँ पर विड्रॉल करके दिखाता हूँ। सिंपली आपको जहाँ पर विड्रॉल के ऊपर क्लिक करना है, यहाँ पर आप विड्रॉल देख रहे होंगे। यहाँ पर आप जैसे टैप करोगे तो आपको जहाँ पर देख सकते हो, मैं यहाँ पर 9 TRX विड्रॉल करवा सकता हूँ। मेरे को अमाउंट फिल करना है 9 जहाँ पर, एंड सिंपली मेरे को यहाँ पर विड्रॉल अकाउंट चूज़ कर लेना है, डिजिटल करेंसी वॉलेट, एंड जहाँ पर पासवर्ड डाल के विड्रॉल कर लेना है। सो फाइनली गाइस, हमारा जो विड्रॉल है जहाँ पर कंप्लीट लग चुका है, और जहाँ पर आपको मैं दिखा दूँगा जैसे मेरे अकाउंट में 9 TRX आ जाएंगे। तो फिलहाल गाइस आपको मैं दिखा दूँ, जहाँ पर आप जितना ज़्यादा TRX इन्वेस्ट करोगे आपको यहाँ पर उतना ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा, और जहाँ पर आप डेली का 9 TRX अर्न कर पाओगे। अगर आप यहाँ पर 100 TRX लगाते हो, मतलब आपका जो 10 डेज़ में जो आपने लगाया होगा अमाउंट वो आपको वापस मिल जाएगा, और उसके अलावा आप ऊपर से भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अर्निंग यहाँ पर करते रहेंगे। तो अभी गाइस हम बात करें विड्रॉल की, तो जहाँ पर हमारा विड्रॉल हमारे अकाउंट में आ चुका है लगभग, आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ एक बार अपना ओपन करके वॉलेट। सो जहाँ पर गाइस आप देखोगे तो ट्रॉन में चलते हैं, और जहाँ पर मेरे को जो 9 TRX है वो भी रिसीव हो चुके हैं, इंस्टेंट के इंस्टेंट मेरे को मिल चुके हैं। तो वैसे काफ़ी अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है, आप एक बार इसमें ज़रूर इन्वेस्टमेंट करना, इसको ट्राई करना। लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है। सो थैंक यू, जय हिंद, जय भारत।